Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. So this is the 21st question of the number theory chapter. So question says that express in fractions. So these are three numbers, you have to express them in fraction. We'll take each one by one. So first one is 3.171717. So 1717 is getting repeated, endless. So we will first find this 3.171717 and so on. Okay. So let this be x. Now after every, so if you look at it, 17 is like 2 digits are getting repeated. So I will do 10 square into x, which is 100x. 100x will be 317.171717 and so on. Okay. If I now subtract 100x and x, if I do 100x minus x, what do I get? I'll get 317.171717 like this minus 3.171717 like this. So all these will come to 0 after decimal. Over here it will be 314. So 100x minus x comes out to be 314. So I get 99x as 314. So x will be then equal to 314 upon 99. Okay, and that is the answer for the first question, first part. So A is 314 upon 99. So over here A is 314 divided by 99. Okay. Now the next one says 0.00303030. So it says 0.00303030 and so on. So now over here, if you look at it, 030303 is getting repeated. So if you look here, 03030303 is getting repeated. There is an additional 0 at the beginning. So first of all, let us assume this to be y. So this additional 0, what I will do is, I will take care of it by first multiplying this y by 10. So 10y will become, this decimal goes over there, so it will become 0.03030303 and so on. Now I am of the form where I have a decimal and then repetition is taking place. 2 digits are getting repeated, so I will multiply this 10y by 100 further. So this becomes 1000y, 10y into 100 is 1000y. And this will become, this decimal place shifts 2 places on the right. So this will become 3.03030303 and so on. Okay. Now if I do 1000y minus 10y, what will that be? That will be 3.03030303 so on minus 0.03030303 and so on. So anything after the decimal becomes 0 here, and here it will become 3 minus 0, which is 3. So 1000y minus 10y, that is 990y comes out to be 3. So if 990y is 3, y is what? 3 upon 990. So if I reduce it to the smallest form, this will be 3 ones are 3 and this is 1 upon 330. So this comes to be 1 upon 330. Okay, that is 3 upon 990, 1 upon 330. Yeah. Finally, this is negative 4. First of all, there is a negative 4.1 and then only 7 is getting repeated. Okay. So now I will do negative 4.1 and only 7 is getting repeated. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll break this first of all. If this is negative 4.1777, this is a negative number. I want to change it to something positive so that I can then work this through. So this I can write as, if I do minus 4 and then minus 0.17777, I can do something like this. This is minus 4 minus 0.17777. So I'll just first find the value of 0.17777 like this, plug it in here to get the answer. So let that be z here for me. So z is equal to 0.17777 and so on. Now 1 is not getting repeated. So first I will multiply this by 10. So 10z is 1.7777. Now only one digit is getting repeated. So I will multiply this by 10 only. So this becomes 100z is equal to 17.777. Now if I do 100z minus 10z, 100z minus 10z, what will that be? That will be 17.77 so on minus 1.7777 so on. So over here all these 7 sevens cancel to be 0. 17 minus 1 I will get 16. So 100z minus 10z, which is 90z, is 16. So 90z is 16, that means z is equal to 16 upon 90, which is equal to 8 upon 45. So z is 8 upon 45 here, and z is what? Only this much part. We are not done with the question. This is minus 4 minus this z. So this will then be minus 4 minus 8 upon 45. Okay, so I will calculate it here. So it is minus 4 minus 8 upon 45. You can take minus common. This becomes 4 plus 8 upon 45, and that will be equal to minus of, if you take 45 as the LCM, 45 into 4, 45 into 2 is 90, and 90 into 2 is 180. 180 plus 8, that is 188. That is minus 188 upon 45. That is what we get as the answer for this C part. So it is minus 188 divided by 45. So over here, this comes out to be minus 188 upon 45. Alright. So this third question, always keep in mind, if you have a negative number, you have to break it down. Okay, and then you can solve this. So that's how we solve this question.